Okie dokie. In this video, I'm adding filters to my microphone in OBS. So I'm in OBS Inception mode at the moment, just so I can demo the filters you can add to your microphone. So no doubt my voice sounds pretty terrible at the moment. So I'm just going to go through the settings here. If we click on the cog next to the mic input, let's just go over that quickly. If you're not seeing a mic, go to your settings, audio, then pick out your mic. So for me, it's this one here. Hit OK, and then on the output here. So if I'm just quiet, you can see when the level goes back down, there's a lot of background noise. So what I'm going to do is add in the filters. So filters in OBS, there's quite a lot to choose from. So there's a compressor to add more, depth? It's a more sort of refined sound. There's also gain, where you can add additional volume to your mic. Possibly put this to 10. So I'm guessing my voice has gone up a bit now. And then there's also noise suppression, which is a really good one. And what I'm going to do with this one is pop this right to the top, because it's the same with the scenes. It takes precedence on where it is in the list. And yep, this is it. RN noise high quality. And that should improve the overall sound. So if you're still getting a bit of background noise after that, let's just close this and check. You see the mic went all the way down to the bottom there, so the level went all the way back down to 0. If you're having issues with that still, you can go to the filters and add in a noise gate, and then play around with the settings on here. So you have the open threshold, that's as you speak, that's when it opens, and then the close threshold is after you've stopped talking, that's how when it closes off at. And there's also like an attack, hold and release time here as well. You could play around with them and see how it goes for you. Your mileage may vary, but I've got really good results out of this noise suppression. So that's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, bye bye.